Hi everyone, I would like to introduce you to a new biosculpture product, SPS. Now SPS will form part of the ETHOS range because it's a treatment for natural nails. So what is SPS? It's a special prep solution for special nails. We all have customers who complain that nothing lasts on their nails no matter what they use. But with SPS, they will enjoy up to 3 weeks and longer of their nail enhancements. Now, while this acid-free solution is mostly used on nails that tend to shed product, it can be used on all nail types because the SPS will maintain the moisture balance in the nails that will help to minimize damp or dry white spots, and it will assist in gel removal for healthier natural nails. Prepare the nails as usual. Apply SPS to the center of the nail, zone 2. Without flooding the cuticles, make sure that it reaches the sides. SPS is volatile, so it will evaporate almost immediately. Proceed with overlay as usual.